Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G85. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, allow. In this window though about new updates, tap on Not Now and choose OK right away or simply tap on OK. Either way, when you finished, tap on your device's displays. Hit Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of G85. Also on this Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Following that, after hitting Got It, pick one of those connection ways. To connect thanks to this key, tap on Input key, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR codes though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, finally all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!